You've been trying to install Home Assistant or whatever virtual machine on Proxmox. You have done everything right, but it won't boot. Here is how you can fix it. Start your virtual machine or reset it if it has been already started. And when you see the Proxmox logo, hit the escape button on the keyboard. Select Device Manager, then select Secure Boot Configuration. Hit Enter, then hit Enter again to deselect Secure Boot. Hit F10 to save the new configurations. Hit Y for yes. Hit Escape to go back. Hit Escape again. Then select Reset. And voila! Here opens Home Assistant. And at the end, I hope that was helpful, and salam.